guys, how is everyone? This week I can give you a very quick tip. It's about not stopping when it is safe to continue on the road. Let me give you a quick example. So in this situation, there are some very important points. Okay, student must understand it and should know. When you are on the road test with the examiner and you are in main road or service road, okay, for example, you are driving 60 or maximum 50 speed and you are seeing the car in front of you, okay, want to cross the road and suddenly you stop your car, all right? And if other vehicles behind you, okay, behind you won't be accepting you to stop to give away, of course, because you have a priority. And the examiner could mark this as a serious driving fault. Basically, if you are right way, just continue. Don't try to be too nice, okay? Don't try to be too nice. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in next video. Thank you.